Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in the Omni-Channel oven today. Do the rewards outweigh the risk of using RFID? Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron VINING, your host of MarketingKitchenTV. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. Here's a supply chain question. RFID is easy to use and inexpensive. It also helps to cut cost on labor. But how safe is it in regards to accessing personal information? Do the rewards outweigh the risk, and how risky is the risk? I wouldn't exactly say that RFID is a risky technology unless somebody's been chipped. We've seen examples internationally of some companies that have chipped their employees. It's mandatory. That's certainly a job that I would resign from, or I would file a lawsuit first. We've seen on the battlefield, soldiers have been chipped so that their bodies can be more easily identified. And then also, let's say that they go missing in action, then they can be tracked. There's a positive benefit to that. In terms of the risk of RFID, in terms of privacy and rewards outweighing the risk, in most particular instances, where RFID is being employed that could violate privacy beyond being chipped would be where the employer, your lanyard and your work ID or your work badge monitors your comings and goings. There's ways that you can protect yourself from this simply by putting it inside a particular sleeve. Same with your passport as well too, or some other types of data cards that you might have. Making sure that you put them in the right type of foil packaging can certainly neutralize the tracking aspect of that. If one's worried about privacy, I'd be more worried about your smartwatch or your smartphone. That is doing more tracking than an RFID chip is, and that's collecting more data. I would say that the rewards are certainly outweighing the risks of RFID. Fantastic question. There are more and more ways that RFID and older technology is still being used today. It's great that you brought it up because we should be aware of that. Because I think all of us, while technology is fantastic, our privacy should be tantamount. It should be sacred. Government should protect us, and our employers should be more concerned about their employees than about their bottom line. Hope that answers your question. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this marketing kitchen. I'm Ron VINING, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.